It's your boy Destiny, back again to brand new edition. This is nightlife in Istanbul, Turkey. As you can see behind me, far behind me, there are some group of people that are doing this. I think it's like a landslide or something. Whoa! And over here, everybody's just outside playing. I would have just stayed back in Ethiopia, to be honest. This weather is not friendly at all, bro. Seriously. And here, I built my crazy snowman. Say hi to the camera. This is my crazy snowman, and he's relaxing with his legs and everything. Man, it's really cold out here, guys. Everything looks so nice though, but nothing like a normal weather. And now I miss Africa, bro. 100%. Oh my goodness, like, look at this. Everywhere is literally filled up with snow, man, with ice. And even when you go downstairs, everywhere is this is boy, oh boy. Back there, it's like a tug of war going on back there, bro. I have to run for my life.